So you have a Amazfit T-Rex Ultra smartwatch and you have an issue where the screen is like frozen or unresponsive or you're stuck somewhere. To fix that, all you got to do is force a restart, okay? So this one's fixed, but let's just pretend I'm stuck on the screen, okay? So I can't restart or shut down the normal way because the screen's not working or whatnot. What you can do is force a restart. This button here, top right hand side up here, just press and hold for 15 seconds and then let go. Okay, so we'll do it together. Let's pretend I'm stuck on the screen here. Top right hand side right here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm going to hold for 15 seconds here. I'm going to keep on holding. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen here. Just continue to hold that button for 15 seconds. We're at 10 seconds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let go. And as soon as you let go, you should see the Amazfit logo pop up. So it's restarting now. And give it 1 second to boot back up. And now hopefully your screen is working. If not, try the force restart again. Okay, good luck guys.